Evening and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Guys Hill Primary from St. Catherine up against St. Jude's Primary from Kingston. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. St. Jude's Primary won. They decided to have Guys Hill Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's begin section 1 of the competition. Guys Hill Primary, Bible knowledge. Which of the apostles said he doubted Jesus' resurrection until he saw it with his own eyes?
Peter.
That's incorrect. It was Thomas. St. Jude's Bible knowledge. According to the Gospel of St. Matthew, where does Jesus' first public sermon take place?
On the mount.
That's correct. Guys Hill science. In the adult human body, which is longer? Is it the small or the large intestines?
The small intestine.
That's correct. St. Jude's science. Where's the largest bone in your body? Is it in your leg or back?
Leg.
That's correct. Guys Hill local affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Dr. Christopher Tufton.
That's incorrect. It's MP Daryl Vaz. St. Jude's local affairs, another visual question. So look at the monitor and identify the person.
Rudyard Spencer.
Rudyard Spencer.
A member of parliament. That's correct. Guys Hill, English language. Spell parachute.
Parachute.
That's correct. St. Jude's English language. Spell fragrance.
Fragrance.
That's right. Guys Hill television, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Selena Gomez.
That's incorrect. It's Demi Lovato. St. Jude's television, another visual. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez.
No, Selena Gomez is correct. Guys Hill general knowledge. What's the full name of the Jamaican cultural icon known as Miss Lou?
Louise Bennett Covert.
Louise Bennett Coverley.
That's correct. St. Jude's general knowledge. What was the full name of the Jamaican cultural icon known as Mas Ran?
Ranny Williams.
Ranny Williams.
The full name was Randolph Williams. That's incorrect. Guys Hill social studies. In which sector in Jamaica is the Alpart company involved?
Tourist sector.
That's incorrect. It's bauxite or the alumina sector. St. Jude's social studies. In which sector in Jamaica is the Sandals group involved?
Tourism.
Or hospitality. That's correct. Guys Hill music. Which Jamaican artist recorded the single Wonderful World, Beautiful People?
Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy Cliff.
That's right. St. Jude's music. Which Jamaican artist recorded the single Push Come to Shove?
Taurus Riley.
That's incorrect. It's Freddie McGregor. Guys Hill mathematics. What number is represented by the Roman numeral D, C, 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 X?
$810.
810 is correct. St. Jude's mathematics. What number is represented by the Roman numeral D, C, C, L, I?
751.
751.
That's correct. Guys Hill Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican athlete.
Dane Fraser.
That's incorrect. It's Nesta Carter. St. Jude Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican athlete.
Warren Weir.
Warren Weir.
That's correct. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with Guys Hill Primary on 5 points, St. Jude's Primary on 8 points. We'll be right back after this break, but before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, try to stay within your parents' budget for lunch and other school items. Do not look for what other children have, but appreciate what your parents can afford. We'll be back after this.